half of this video is gonna be a voiceover because half the audio got glitched.
Alright. Alexa. So today I'm building a really good meme. And the meme is from a Minecraft movie. You guys probably already know what it is. If you guys don't know, Chicken Jockey. Yeah, today I'm gonna be building Chicken Jockey. So it's just gonna cut to me being into wild. Anyways, I'm gonna start building. That didn't. But alright, so I'm gonna be building the chicken. Cause Chicken Jockey. I'm gonna copy this map. So right now I'm gonna pull out the drone. Chicken Jockey. No wait, I should probably put it the other way. Why? I don't really know. I'm gonna try to make the feet look like how a chicken in Minecraft feet is supposed to. I almost just placed down a drone. Right, alright. Now I just gotta do that, but over here. Yes, I'm actually building Chicken Jockey. Why? I thought of building it for a video idea, and I was eventually like, I'm just gonna build it. And then I decided, yeah, I'm building this. No, I'm building Chicken Jockey. Why? Because I want to. Oh, I'm on the mobile app. Right. So, wait. Instead of doing this, I can just... Oh, I just dropped my controller. Who wants a muffin, please? I just want to die. Please, somebody kill me, please. A muffin. Alexa, pause 30-minute timer. Alexa, pause timer. Alexa, pause timer. Oh my god. Right. I was trying to pause that timer. So. If you are wondering why I'm painting, honestly, I don't even know why. Wait, no. Isn't this supposed to be orange? Alright. We're so close to being done, but at the same time, we're not even close to done. Alright. Honestly, this is going to take a while. I bet it's probably going to take a couple days. That's why I'm going to save this map. I'm going to save this map. Whenever it's a new day, I'm going to record and I'm going to edit it saying what day it is. Right now, it's day 1. It's going to be above me. So, day 1 of building Chicken Jockey. Right. The body is a little fat. No. Who cares? Oh yeah, one of the important parts are the zombies. The important parts are all the important details. Though the tail doesn't really need that much details. You might be saying, hey, that chicken doesn't have a tail though. Actually, yes it does. It's just well hidden. So here's a good like well it's not a tail. It's just like the back. Dang, I made this fat and big. I might need to get some graps. I'm a little tired. Honestly, I got him so late trying to do this. Like, right now it's freaking 8:55 p.m. I'm up very late. Oh, well, I don't really care. All I care about is getting this done in a few days. Pretty tired. So, here's what it looks like so far. Yeah. So, I need. I'm gonna pull up a picture real quick. I need to search a picture. Chicken Jockey. Images. Oh, now I know what I need. I almost forgot the most important part. The arms. And yes, I'm trying to put a lot of details on this. You might be saying, why? Because I want this to look really good. Like, I'm actually kind of good at building I usually just be lazy sometimes with building. So, and right now, I'm not trying to be lazy or anything. So, it's looking pretty good. So what was on the other side? It was right. All right, good. Right, the feathers are looking pretty good. Let's see. Chicken jockey. So I'm gonna start building the head, and I'm just trying to make it look good. All right. I don't care if people don't say, "Oh, this doesn't look good. You should probably rebuild it." I'm not gonna rebuild it, but also I think it looks good. So even though it's not finished, in the future, I bet it's probably gonna look good. And in the future, I mean in a couple days. Wow! I just fell. I mean in a couple days. So, in a couple days, I probably will be finished with this. So, gonna stop the beat. Sound do I like? Wait, this is a player's view. Oh, that is unperfect. Well, let's not say it's unperfect. It's placed like wrong. One panfish, have a leg. One panfish. What the hell am I singing at? Brain rot as hell. Alright. Let's keep going. Honestly, this is gonna take so long. Ugh. Wait, hold up. Is it just flat for the top of the chicken? Alright, yeah. Wait. Right, now let's start building the beak. So first, lay under the beak. There's something really important. I do not know what this is called. So, anybody in the comments knows what it's called? Please tell me. Let's call this like the red chin. Why? That seems like a cool name. Yeah, also, right here, I'm changing it because I'm gonna need the eyes right here. So let's just oh, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I say two words to my head, hot just to find out you're always better. Why am I singing that? Right. Why do I want to build Chicken Jockey? I don't know. Oh, this is looking good so far. The chicken looking pretty fat. I don't really care. Wait, oh, I just got a great idea. We can lower this. Let's lower this. And then let's lower the head like la 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 la. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mama sits now you're ringing the bell. Ooh, super spicy. I forgot the lyrics. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it like this. Why? Among Us, Skibidi Toilet Grizzly, Piano, Ohio. How did I just say that? Ugh. I cannot believe I'm building this. I almost said I am Steve. I almost said that. Wait. There's my white paint. Everything's painted. But, honestly, I think it looks better like this instead of black. And a black would look like this. Meanwhile, like the dark purple would look like this. Honestly, I think this looks better. Anyways, let's keep looking. But also, we should make the head littler, because the zombie is going to need to be big. So, like, let's make the head like this now. Now let's look at the photo. Alright. That is not the chicken jockey left. Chicken jockey. You know, that meme is actually so massive I have to build it. You know what else is massive? La 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 lava. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as hell. You know, I have a question. Why did they put that in the Minecraft movie? Why did they make it hell? Like, could have put anything else. That's a freaking children's movie, and you put hell in it. It's for freaking children. You know, I'm gonna use this color. No, wait, too bright. Nah, I'm just gonna use the grass color. No, wait. Hey, this is a good color. I'm gonna use this. And then, right there. So, I would say it's about like, let me see. Is it light? It's light blue. So, then I would probably use. You guys are wondering why I keep saying then I'd probably use it. It's because if you guys want to build this, I would use this. Though you guys could probably use something different. So, let's see. Wait. I'm just trying to see what the chicken jockey. Oh my god, my meta, like my thing is out. I don't know what it's called. Is out while I'm playing, so I can see it while doing that. You know, I'm gonna try to do that again. You know how I'm a Rainbow does that one thing? Well, I have the same thing. I just forgot the most important step. Oh my god. Ew, I have it again. Don't want to get rid of it. Shut. I just forgot the most important step. Is like legs down here. Ugh. Dang. I mean, the best part of this build so far is probably the chicken itself, but y'all can think different. I mean, that's kind of a good foot. Wait, what if we move it back one? Wait, moved it back one. Oh, I was just doing something wrong. There we go. Now let's do it on the other side. Honestly, I'm doing pretty good. Like, I just started. Oh, I'm not sure I just started. And I've already gotten, like, the chicken. And I've already gotten, the zombie. Wait, what if I put the fingers down? Wait, what if I try to put it, like, it's, like, on. And, like, yeah. Like, he's holding on to him. He's holding on to the chicken. You know, wonder what would be cool if I built, like, you know, stop animation? No, what if I built that in yeeps? So it's like paint coming down, and it's the chicken jockey coming on him. That'd be sick. Alright. Honestly, not gonna lie, this build is kind of pretty good so far. You'll never know if it will turn out ugly in the future. Honestly, what I think is it's pretty good. Wait. I was just saying if I did this shit wrong. Honestly, here, oh, it's not bad. But, hold up. What if Right. And then, alright. Alright. I gotta see what colors. Alright. That. Oh. Oh. So, wait. These plants are purple, so I just gotta find like light purple and then dark purple. No, wait, let's see. That's light purple. Alright, now let's do the ship. Let's see. That's why I'm trying to do like a bunch of details for this. I just want this to look good. That's all. And I'll show you guys, in Code Prop Run, there's a, cooking map. I'm sorry though, I'm getting rid of the cooking map and saving this in there. Wait, I'm sorry. If any of you guys like that map, I'm sorry, I'm getting rid of it. So for those of you guys who like it, rest in peace cooking map. So. And not that much people actually know about it. No, I don't really care. All I care about is getting us done. Plus, I'm really tired. And tomorrow I gotta go to school. Flint and steel. Chicken jacket. Alright, now it's time for one of the most hardest parts. The freaking head of the zombie. I don't want to do this. It's one of the hardest parts. What does it to what? Like, like, get jiggy when she step nipples, get jiggy. Get jiggy. Alright, honestly, I don't care. This takes a series. No, I'm not gonna do a series. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stick all the recording into one long video. Why? Because I feel like it. And I don't want to have to edit all that. Oh yeah, you guys know how the channel is named Casey and Andrew Play VR? Well, Andrew is very good at editing. He's technically my editor because he helps me edit and stuff. Though sometimes I help him edit, sometimes he doesn't understand it. Finish. Yeah. Windows win. Those don't know. Right. Um. my god, I'm actually doing very good. I did not expect it to be that good. It's actually pretty good. La 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 lava. Chicken. Please lava chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, see tonight you're ringing the bell. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack. It's a minute. Get it right. I'm the man. So the night we pop out at 1 in the morning. What the hell am I singing that? Oh my god. I'm tired. Very tired. Am I actually about to finish this like today? I just started the video. Why am I saying I just started the video? Started the video like so long ago. So. Right. Oh my god, I'm so close to being done. Yippee hee hee hee. Right. I'm like the third to the what? Like, maybe go, I wanna, like, Get jiggy, 1, 2, step in the back, get jiggy. Like, mom. Oh, that looks sick. Oh my freaking god, wait, let's look. I'm cooked. Wondering why I say that? If the eyes are supposed to look realistic. You know what? I know what I'm just gonna make them like. No. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm removing the face. Hey, Jiggy, when he's stepping in the box. Freak. Oh my god! I said this might take me a series. It's not taking me a series. Like, I'm about to be finished. I'm gonna make him have a smiley face. His face about to hit that. Yippee! And also, if you ever go into a lobby, see this, just know it was created by me. Right. Oh my god, that looks sick. Alright. Oh, freak, I just realized. Look how low the arms are. Wait, dude. I'm getting off. Alright. Hey, guys. I just gotta finish painting this. I'm done! What? Alright, I'm gonna copy the map and go paste it in a different map. So anyways. Bye, you guys. See you later.
Well, I was editing this, I realized the audio started working again, so I was wrong.